The subject I'm going to show you is just one simple braid into a low bun in the back. So I'm just going to start by brushing my hair all to one side and kind of part it. Nothing too particular, just kind of where I want it to sweep over. I'm just going to braid this whole side down into the back at my nape.
I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying?
So with two bobby pins, you're just going to crisscross them in the back just to hold this area in place.
It's terrifying.
We're going to loosen up the braid. Now just take that braid and twist it. And then pin it into place.
It's a losing game. It's a losing game.
So I just like to have a couple looser pieces around my face. You guys can do it however you like. And there is one simple.
This ain't the same. They say love heals all.